So I just got this fire star lights. I want to install it on my car interior, and I'll show you guys what it looks like. It has the remote control. Then it has this straps that is it to attach it to whatever place you want to attach it to. Then it has the adapter, and it's a fire star light, very durable. The quality is solid, very solid quality. Then then it's USB connectable. That's what it is. So I'll install it and show you guys what it looks like inside the car. This is the one that I initially installed, so I don't like it. So this is what the initial one I installed looks like. You can see what it looks like. It's also behind. But I want another one. I'm gonna install the other one. It's gonna be better than this one. So I'm gonna be disassembling all this part, all this place here, in order for me to pass the wires in a way that they won't show. So it has this adhesive here that you use to strap the light. Use to strap the light to whatever position you want to put it. And this is the socket here. These are the wires. The wires that I'm gonna pass around in and out. I'm just gonna make this fast. It's USB. Is the USB adapter. I'm going to be connecting it here. I'm going to try to make it as discreet as possible. This way I'm going to connect the USB adapter. I'm going to make it as discreet as possible so it won't be visible. This is what the remote control speaks to. This is remote control. It also has voice control. Like if I press this button while it's on and I'm playing music or talking in the car, it's going to be activating based on the sound pitch. I'm just going to connect it and show you guys. So I'm halfway through the reassembly and this is what it looks like. I'm not done reassembling it here. That's what it looks like. You can see it over there. So when I'm done reassembling it, I'm going to show you guys what it looks like. Yeah. So this is what it looks like now. This is what it looks like. This is the end result. Okay. It's presently in voice control. That's why it only works with sound. I can change it to whatever mode I want to. This is what it works. This is the remote control to change it to whatever mode you want it to be like. Yep. This is the red mode, blue, green. This is the breathing mode. This is the strobe mode. Yep. This is the voice control mode. Voice the changing mode. Let's see what it looks like now.